Hi everyone, are you ready to transform your online business dreams into reality? If so, then Wealthy Affiliates Black Friday sale is the perfect opportunity for you. During this limited time event, you can save big on Premium and Premium Plus memberships and gain access to a wealth of resources that will help you build and grow your business from the ground up. To get the details or join now, go to the links in my description below. Wealthy Affiliates Black Friday sale is offering the lowest premium prices ever on Premium and Premium Plus memberships. The Premium membership is available for just $297. That's saving you over 60%, up to 60%. Premium Plus membership is available for just $497. That's a saving of over 50%. With a Wealthy Affiliate membership, you gain access to a wealth of resources and tools, including affiliate marketing training. You learn the secrets to successful affiliate marketing from the industry experts. There's also web hosting. You get free domain and reliable web hosting for your website. There are keyword tools, where you can identify high traffic keywords to optimize your content for search engines. And then they have the newest tools, the AI writing tools that can help you generate high quality SEO ready content with the help of AI. So you can create all this content easier and faster, And then there's the affiliate products and programs finder, where you can discover profitable affiliate programs to promote. And let's not forget the community support. That's one of the best features at Wealthy Affiliate. You connect with other Wealthy Affiliate members and get support from experienced entrepreneurs. Wealthy Affiliates is introducing cutting-edge AI tools that further elevate the user's experience. There's the AI designer, article designer, and there's the AI author tool. These are revolutionary additions designed to streamline content creation. These tools, these AI tools, they leverage artificial intelligence, to suggest improvements, generate content ideas, and enhance overall writing efficiency. So the Wealthy Affiliates Black Friday 2023 deal is not just a discounted offer, it's a key that unlocks the door to financial independence and success. The comprehensive training, powerful tools, and supportive community create an environment where your online business can flourish. So don't miss out on this extraordinary opportunity to propel your business, your online business aspirations forward. Join Wealthy Affiliate today and seize the power of Wealthy Affiliate's Black Friday Bonanza. Together, let's embark on a journey of success and transform your online business dreams into reality. Remember to get the details or join now. Go to the links in my description below. All right. So visit Wealthy Affiliate today and start building your online business empire. Remember, this offer is only available for a limited time only. So don't miss out. I wish you immense wealth, good health, and success.